What is CDN? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, and it's a network of servers spread across the world to help deliver web content to users faster and more reliably. So why do we need this whole network of servers and not just one? Well, let's first highlight the problems of having just one server. Let's say you have a website that's hosted in the UK and lots of people are making requests and getting responses back fine. This works great for users that are nearby, but what if that person was situated in the US or Australia? Their request has to travel thousands of kilometers to reach the server. And you can imagine loading images or videos could be really slow. And if that server gets too much traffic, it could just crash. And if that one server goes down, then the whole website is down. These are the kind of problems CDNs are used to solve. So with that in mind, let's go back to our example. We've hosted a website in the UK and you get traffic from all around the world. With a CDN, your content is stored across multiple regions in the world. So when a user visits your site from Japan, let's say, they're served with images, videos, and scripts from a server in Asia, not all the way to the UK. This reduces a huge load off your main server, and it also makes a website load faster. And if one CDN goes down, there are others that can take over, so your website won't go down. This all happens automatically, and the CDN can work out which server is the nearest to a user, which means it delivers content from the closest location. It solves problems like slow load times and server overloads, and it's especially useful if you have a global audience and large media files on your website. Most modern websites and platforms use CDNs like YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. Don't forget to check out the rest of the series of software development for beginners, but other than that, I'll see you next time.